Here at Atrix, our mission is to provide quality vacuums with ultra-fine filtration, along with professional services to customers all around the world. We believe in the importance of quality, reliability, and service. Our vision at Atrix International is to be the premier industry manufacturer of vacuums with ultra-fine filtration. Atrix has been in business since 1981. Over the years, we have introduced numerous models of industrial vacuums including the Omega Plus, the Green Supreme, the HEPA Express, the high-capacity, Abatement, and HEPA Backpack Vacuums. As a company, we take pride in producing products of the utmost quality and providing our customers with excellent service. Thanks to these efforts, we have been able to build a strong brand with a reputable name. We are proud to manufacture the finest filtration, ESD-safe vacuums that are available. We are one of the few companies that manufacture patented HEPA and ULPA filters. We also distribute a wide range of tools, complete toolkits, ESD Safety Products, Smocks, and cleaning supplies. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Small compact size. The Lil Red vacuum is small and light, weighing only 6.5 pounds. The Canister's wheels make this vacuum extremely mobile and easy to use. Number 2. Adjustable 3-speed motor. An adjustable 3-speed motor allows the vacuum to clean a variety of different surfaces. The transition between cleaning hard and soft surfaces with ease. Number 3. 3 stages of filtration. The HEPA bag helps capture non-hazardous dry particulate. Number 4. Mobile cleaning. The 6-hose and the 20 to 36 inches telescopic extension wand allows you to clean the hard-to-reach areas. Number 5. 3-stage filtration. The 3 stages of filtration consists of 2-quart HEPA bag which is disposable, along with a promoter and exhaust filter that is designed to be washable and reusable. Number 6. HEPA filter. The 2-quart HEPA filter safely captures small particles. Number 7. Variable speed motor. The Lil Red canister vacuum has a variable speed motor that allows the user to change the suction depending on what you are vacuuming. Number 8. Powerful canister vacuum. Portable size. The Lil Red canister vacuum is compact, easy to carry, and easy to store. Although the vacuum is compact, it is still very powerful with its 1,200-watt cleaning power that produces 71 CFM. Number 9. Perfect vacuum for home and office. The Lil Red comes with a variety of accessories and features including telescopic extension wand with 17 height settings and a 16-feet retractable cord, which allows you to access those hard-to-reach areas, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.